I'm still wearing the whole Cousin Eddie thing, just bear with me. Welcome to another episode of Lending Listicles. This is part 2 of the holiday edition if you're getting ready to sell your house during the holiday season. Number 1, deck the halls, but not too much. Prospective home buyers are gonna wanna come in and they're gonna wanna see the house. And if you've gone crazy with all of your ceramic houses, then people aren't gonna be able to see the goodness that is your house. Number 2, consider curb appeal. Now, normally this is where I would say, let's mow the grass, let's make sure the bushes are well kept, but during the holiday season, I need to say things like, let's not put a 40-foot inflatable Snoopy in a plane in your front yard while you're trying to sell your house. Number 3, hire a pro to take pics. Now, your house is probably gonna be somewhat festive, so now is the time. Everybody's at home during the pandemic, they're shopping online anyway. Hire a professional to take some photos. That'll look good during the holiday season while you're trying to sell. Number 4, invest in video. The person that I just talked about who does the photos, they probably do video too. Have them shoot some video. Everybody's at home. They want to see your house. Number 5, safeguard your open house. When people come into the house, let's safeguard the place a little bit. Let's put a little hand sanitizer at the front desk. Let's open the windows, get a fresh breeze in. Plus it cools things off, especially for people that are coming wearing really tight turtlenecks. For these and more lending listicles or any questions about the mortgage process, visit the Movement Mortgage blog linked below or contact your local Movement Mortgage loan officer. Happy holidays.